Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting fractions. So some terminology you need to know is A is the numerator, so the part that's above the line, and B is the denominator, the part below the line. In order to add or subtract fractions, A or B and D must be the same. So how we do that in this general form where B and D are not the same number, we'll multiply this by B over B, which is just a fancy form of 1, and we'll multiply this one by B over D. And what that means is now we have the same denominator, so we can add the numerator together. So if we practice on this one, we can see that this one has 7 and this one has 8. So what we're going to do is multiply this guy by 7 over 7 and this one by 8 over 8. So what's 8 times 2? 16. 8 times 7 is going to be 56. And then 7 times 1 will give you 7, and then we get 56 again. And if we add these two together, 16 plus 7 is going to give you 23 over 56. And you're going to just leave the denominator the same, but you're going to add the numerator. So this would be our final answer because we can't simplify it. So the next problem we can do is 1/4 minus 1/16. And we're actually going to look for the least common multiple in this case, because this one, if we multiply 4 by 16, it'll still work, but it'll give us bigger numbers to work with, and that's always not good. So the least common multiple of 4 and 16 is 16 because both go into 16. So what we can do in this one is multiply this by 4 over 4, and this one by 1 over 1. And then if we multiply across, we get 4 over 16 minus 1 over 16. And then if we just subtract the numerators, 4 minus 1 will give us 3. And the denominator is still 16. And that would be our final answer for this one.